Hello and good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. So, I just want to tell you that you have studied the money chapter, the addition and subtraction of money, but a small extra portion of money chapter is left, and that is conversion. So, we're gonna start our conversion chapter in just 2 minutes, but before that, I'll just quickly tell you what we do while we convert. So there is basically 2 points you need to keep in mind. First point is when you convert paise, something written in paise like 100 paise or 150 paise. When it is told to convert it into rupees and paise, you just put a small dot. And where do you put this dot? You put this small dot from the right side. You count 2 digits from your right side. From your right side, you count 2 digits and just put a small dot after 2 digits. So this is the method when you convert paise into rupees and paise. Now the second thing is when you convert rupees and paise into paise. Like if something is written as 60 rupees 35 paise. This is rupees and paise both is written. 60 rupees 35 paise, 10 rupees 25 paise. Now when it is written into rupees and paise and it is told to convert into paise, what you do, you simply remove the dot. The dot that we have put, you just remove the dot and write the number. That's it. It's so simple. When you convert paise into rupees and paise, you put a small dot. And when you convert rupees and paise into paise, you remove the dot. That's it. Let's do few examples. I hope that will be easy for you to understand it better. So let's just get started. So students, this is your question where it is told to convert the following paise into rupees and paise. So this all the questions are written in paise. You can see 6030 paise, 1050 paise, 1000 paise, 2012 paise, 4090 paise. So all these are written in paise and you have to convert all these into rupees and paise. Like you have to write it with rupees and paise. So what you do, you write the number 6030. You write the number. You count 2 digits from your right. This is your right, this is your left. So you count 2 digits from the right, 1 and 2, and just put a small dot in between. Clear? You just put a small dot in between, and this is conversion of paise into rupees and paise. Now one more thing, you have to write rupees so that it is clear that you have converted paise into rupees and paise. Now what? It's this. You read as 60 rupees and 30 paise. I have taught you how to read the number. So before dot the number is rupees and after dot the numbers are paise. So it is read as 60 rupees 30 paise. Now to convert next number, what you do, you write the number 1050. You count 2 digits from the right side, 1 and 2, and put a small dot before this. And then write rupees. This is conversion of 1050 paise into 10 rupees and 50 paise. Let's solve the third one. You write 1000. You write the number, count 2 digits from the right, 1 and 2, and put a small dot over here. So this is 10 rupees and 0 paise. Now you write rupees in the front. So this can be read as 10 rupees and 0 paise. Next is 2012 paise. You write 2012. Now the next step is count 2 digits from the right, 1 and 2, and just put a small dot in between. And what you do, you write rupees. Rupees is written to make sure that you have converted paise into rupees. Now the next question is 4090 paise. This is 4090. You write the number, count 2 digits from the right sides, 1 and 2, and put a small dot before 9 and write rupees. This is when you have converted 4090 paise into 40 rupees and 90 paise. Now, the next question says, convert the following rupees in paise into paise. Now you know this is written in rupees and paise both. It is similar na, written in both rupees and paise. So this is read as 5 rupees 60 paise. This is read as 99 rupees and 90 paise. This is read as 35 rupees 70 paise. This is read as 80 rupees 80 paise. And this is read as 78 rupees and 70 paise. Now you have to convert all of these into paise. So the rule was, when you convert rupees and paise into paise, you just remove these dots from the number. You simply write the number. The number is 560. You simply write it and you remove the dot. You don't put the dot over here and simply write paise. Why you write paise? Because you have to convert it into paise. Next is 99.90. You simply write all the numbers 9990 and it's over. You have converted rupees and paise into paise. Simply write paise. Just remove the dot. How to remove the dot? Simply write the number and put a paise. Now 80 rupees 80 paise. So it is 8080. You have written, simply write paise. Now this is 7850. You write paise. So like this you have converted all the rupees and paise into paise. So when you convert, this is rupees and paise, something written in rupee as well as in paise. Why? Because we read as 5 rupees 60 paise. So something written in both rupees and paise, when you convert it into paise, you just remove these dots. Simply remove the dot, write the number and write paise. And this one, when you were used to convert paise into rupees and paise, you just put a small dot by counting 2 digits from the right side and write rupees. This is important, to write rupees while you convert it into rupees and paise, and to write paise while you convert it into paise. I hope you have understood it. Write it in your copy, both the things. This is the conversion rule. Write it in your copy. Take a screenshot and write it in your copy. And then do the exercise. Do this exercise in your classwork copy. That will be easy for you to understand. It may come in your examination. Be prepared. And all the best for your examination.